My WhatsApp number is banned. How to unban? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can fix if your WhatsApp number is banned and how you can unban it. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If your WhatsApp number is banned, it's most likely because you violated WhatsApp community guidelines. In another case, what you can do is just try to re-log in using that same phone number and see if it lets you log in. If it does, then that's very lucky for you. You will be able to log in. If it doesn't, you'll most likely receive a notification that your account is banned, and then you can simply go ahead and then appeal the decision from there. But if you don't see any sort of pop-up or messages, in that case, open your browser. Just go to whatsapp.com/contact. Once you go to whatsapp.com/contact, you're going to see this type of interface where you can see WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. If you use business account, you can tap on contact us. If you use Messenger account, you can tap on contact us over here. Once you've done that, simply make sure to enter the phone number of which your WhatsApp account was banned, and then make sure to enter email, confirm email, select a platform where you use WhatsApp, and in the message below just let them know that you are sure you did not violate any of WhatsApp community guidelines, but your WhatsApp account got banned for some reason. You could just tell that it was an accident on their part and it could have also been a mistake, and then you can just tap the next step option here to follow the instructions and luckily go ahead and then recover your account. This way you can solve banned WhatsApp problem in case your WhatsApp is banned. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.